Hello guys, welcome to Showcase AI. In this video, we are going to check out the video studio feature, especially the AI ads video option. Basically, with this feature, you can create high quality ad video using AI generated script, voiceover and models. All you need to do is upload your product and it will automatically create a cinematic ad for you. So let's see how this works. So in the left side of the menu, you will get video studio menu. Simply click on this. Inside it, you will get AI ads video feature. When you click on this, it will redirect you to the AI ads video editor. Here you can see the few options. The first one is upload image. So simply click on this and upload any product image. Click on open and it will upload an image for you. And now we have two options. The first one is auto and the second one is custom. So in the auto one, you just need to enter the idea about your product. So I have entered my idea and simply click on this generate script and it will create a script for you. The AI will create the script for you, and when the script is created, you can simply check here. You can see the accept ratio 9:16 and 16:9 and the duration 10 second and 15 second. So let's check. Our script is generated. Now we just need to enter a title and click on generate video. So our video is now added to the rendering process. Now we are going to check the second option, which is custom one. Simply upload the video, simply uploaded the image. Now in the custom, you will need to upload some information about the product. First one is product name, product target audience, young and adults, which is already filled up, and the third one is product selling point. Product ad style UGC ads. Now we are going to select the duration, the 10 second, 15 second, and now you just need to give the information about the product. So simply click enter your description and simply click on this generate script, and the AI will create a script for you. This is the second option. You just need to fill some detail and it will give you the script. In the auto one, you just need to enter the idea and it will generate the script. Now we just need to enter title, select the accept ratio, duration, and simply click on this generate video. And your video will be added to the rendering process. Now the third process is you just need to upload one image, enter title, and here you just need to describe about your product, like if you have any script. If you don't want to generate by auto and a custom option, if you have any script, you just simply type your script here, which can be about the product benefit, anything about the product, and you can simply click on this generate video. So you can also add your custom script in this too. So let's check how our video will generated by our auto and custom. Simply go to the project section. Here you can see our video is added on the rendering process. So in a few seconds our video will be rendered. So guys, as you can see, both the video is rendered successfully. Now check how the preview will be done. So let's check our first video. So this is from the custom one. We have just created a video. Here you can see you can copy this prompt, you can regenerate it, you can download this video, and you can copy this link and upload on your social platform too. So let's check how our video will be generated. So this is how your 10-second video ad will be generated. So how this AI ad video will be work. So hope you like the tutorial and the demo video of this. Thank you.